the Great Nature Expedition.
Class, we're going to embark on a great nature expedition. Your task is to explore the local forest and learn about its ecosystem. You'll document your findings and present them next week.
This is going to be so much fun. I've always wanted to explore the forest.
We need to make sure we're prepared. Let's plan our route and gather all the supplies we'll need.
I've never been on a nature expedition before. What if we get lost?
Don't worry, Taylor. We'll stick together and follow the map. It'll be an adventure.
And we'll learn so much along the way. Let's make this the best project ever.
I'm ready for some nature exploration. Let's do this.
Okay, we've got everything we need. Let's head out early tomorrow morning.
We'll meet at the trailhead at sunrise. Don't forget your hiking boots.
Look at that bird. It's so colorful. I think it's a rare species.
I'm jotting down everything we see. This is going to be an amazing project.
These pictures will be perfect for our presentation.
This place is incredible. It's so calm and beautiful.
Nature is amazing. We're learning so much just by being here.
We didn't expect rain. We need to find a safe place to wait it out.
Let's stay calm. The rain will pass, and we'll be okay.
We did it. We faced the rain and kept going. This was an incredible experience.
We worked together and learned so much. Our presentation is going to be amazing.
Great job, team. We made some awesome memories today.
Throw caution against the wall.